Concentration and contemplation are great things, but no contemplation is greater than the life we have about us every day. Full of Saki, February 17, by Hazrat Inayat Khan. Commentary by Pir-O-Murshid and Inayat Khan. As one goes further in the soul's unfoldment, one finally arrives at the stage of revelation. Life begins to reveal itself. The whole of life, each soul becomes communicative. Not only living beings, but each thing. They say that the 12 apostles knew all languages. It does not mean that they knew English, French, and Italian, but that they knew every soul's language, as every soul has its own separate language. They began to perceive vibrations, and so every evolved soul will feel the vibrations of every other soul, and every condition, every soul, every object in the world will reveal its nature and character to him. Saadi, the Persian poet, has said, once a soul has begun to read, every leaf of the tree becomes as a page of the sacred book of life. A keen observation of life in time awakens us to the fact that when once the light is thrown upon life, life begins to reveal itself. As Sadi has said, even the leaves of the tree become as pages of the sacred book once the eyes of the heart are open. Anyone who has some knowledge of mysticism and the lives of the mystics knows that what always attracts the mystic most is nature. Nature is his bread and wine. Nature is his soul's nourishment. Nature inspires him, uplifts him, and gives him the solitude for which his soul continually longs. Every soul born with a mystical tendency is constantly drawn towards nature. In nature, that soul finds its life's demand, as it is said in the Vedan, art is dear to my heart, but nature is near to my soul. From the moment man's eyes open and he begins to read the book of nature, he begins to live, and he continues to live forever.